Hi students, I'm really excited to present to you the first haircut of your course. It's one length haircut. The key feature of this haircut is that it retains the weight of the hair at the bottom. इस haircut के अंदर बालों का वजन मेंटेन रहता है, बाल heavy लगते हैं bottom end पे. This haircut is a good choice to offer to clients who are looking to just to get their split ends removed or just to get a trim. This haircut suits every length and texture of hair, so textures like curly, wavy, natural straight or rebonded straight, all of them are good for this haircut. Our model has long and wavy hair with thin ends. Before we start the haircut, we need to prepare the hair. We will use Liss Control Cream and Liss Unlimited Serum. What it does is it brings in moisture to the hair and it keeps the hair moisturized during the haircut so that hair is manageable and easy to work with during the haircut. I have mixed coin size amount cream and 2 pumps of serum, and now I'm applying with my fingers throughout the hair. Generously and evenly it should be applied in all the hair. Make sure you apply with your fingers, not with your palm. Fingers make sure that the cream is distributed evenly throughout the hair and there is no localization and stickiness during the application. For one length haircut, we need to reverse the sheet with the velcro in the front and make sure there are no rivets at the back. The sheet is smooth at the back for the haircut. For this, we can clip the sheet in the front. We will start the haircut by creating a guideline. Guideline is a reference which helps you to cut the next sections of the haircut. For guideline section, join point on the occipital bone and profile to center of the ear on both sides. Now while cutting, elevation will be 0 degree in the comb using high tension side of the comb. High tension side of the comb is the side which has fine tooth. The cutting line will be horizontal, which is parallel to the floor, and head position will be bent forward. Head position needs to be bent forward because this whole haircut is at 0 degree, and at the nape area, to achieve 0 degree, we need the head position forward. Comb the hair from front to back so it's easy for you to take out the profile parting. Occipital bone is the bone which is protruding from the head at the back, so you can feel that with your finger. Connect the occipital bone to the center of the ear. Do the same on the other side. Make sure your sections are clean. The purpose of putting a clip near the parting is to keep the parting neat and clean. If you feel your section is a bit imbalanced, you can always correct it. Now, with the head position down, with fine side of the comb which has high tension, comb neatly and make sure there are no tangles or knots in the hair. Make sure your sheet is also clean at the back. Now, with your eyes at the cutting level, tap the hair and cut horizontally. We need to tap the hair to make sure the hair is pressed against the back for a perfect 0 degree angle. As we already discussed, the elevation is 0 degree. Now to cut the second section, we will take the next section 2 inches above the occipital on the profile parting, connecting to top of the ear. Head position will now be straight. Distribution will be natural fall, that is, we will be combing the hair in natural fall. Elevation will remain 0 degree in the comb, but now we will be using low tension side of the comb, which is the wide tooth side. Cutting will be on the guide horizontally. सेकेंड सेक्शन ऑक्सीपिटल बोन के 2 इंच ऊपर रहेगा एंड टॉप ऑफ द ईयर को कनेक्ट करेगा. अब हम कोम का वाइड साइड इस्तेमाल करेंगे लो टेंशन के लिए. बालों को अच्छे से कोम करेंगे, नॉट एंटेंगल फ्री करेंगे. कट करते हुए हमारा आई लेवल कटिंग लाइन पे होना चाहिए एंड इसको अब हम गाइड के ऊपर कट करेंगे. मेक श्योर हम गाइड को कट ना करें, गाइड से हल्का सा नीचे कट करेंगे. ये चेक करने के लिए कि हमने स्ट्रेट कट किया है बालों को हम नेचुरली कोम करके नेचुरल फॉल में चेक करेंगे. अगर हम सेटिस्फाइड हैं कि हमारा कट एकदम हॉरिजॉन्टल है, स्ट्रेट है, देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन. एक आध बाल अगर एक्स्ट्रा रह जाता है तो यू कैन कट इट फ्री हैंड. नेक्स्ट कटिंग सेक्शन इज स्लाइटली डायगोनल फॉरवर्ड हॉर्सशू. This section starts from the recession area. It should start from the lower recession and it passes just below top of the head. Distribution of the hair, all hair in front of the ear is over directed to the back to be cut in between the imaginary line between the ears. We need to imagine that both the ears are working as vertical lines. We will comb all the hair between those two lines and then cut them at the back. Head position will be straight. Elevation will be 0 degree in the comb. Wide side of the comb to be used for low tension. हॉर्सशू सेक्शन निकालने के लिए पहले आप बालों को आगे की तरफ कोम करिए. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, आपने जोन सा भी सेक्शन निकालना है, बालों को उसी डायरेक्शन में पहले कोम करो जिस डायरेक्शन में आपका कोम मूव करने वाला है सेक्शन निकालते हुए. दैट विल मेक द वर्क वेरी इजी. सेक्शन निकालने के बाद बालों को एक नीट बन में फ्लिप करें. दिस इज हाउ हॉर्सशू सेक्शन लुक्स लाइक, स्लाइटली डायगोनल फॉरवर्ड. दोनों ईयर्स के बीच में हमें ये पूरा हेयर कट करना है. सो आपको इमेजिन करना होगा कि यहाँ पे एक लाइन है जो इमेजिनरी लाइन की हम बात कर रहे थे. फ्रंट के बालों को पीछे की तरफ लेके आइए और इमेजिनरी लाइन के जस्ट इनसाइड ताकि उसे 0 डिग्री पे कट करिए. अभी भी कट 0 डिग्री इन द कोम हो रहा है. कट करते हुए आई लेवल हमारा कटिंग लाइन पर रहेगा एंड टैप करके हम गाइड पे कट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इज प्रोफाइल पार्टिंग. To cut the last section, we will take out the profile parting and distribute all the hair to the back, and we will cut between the imaginary lines created by the ear. Elevation will still be 0 degree in the comb and we will be cutting with the low tension side of the comb. Our cutting line will be horizontal and we will be cutting on the guide. बालों के साथ वर्क करते हुए अभी भी बाल वेट एंड डैम्प फील हो रहे हैं, जिससे कि काम करना बहुत इजी हो रहा है. ये इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि हमने बालों को शुरू में प्रिपेयर किया था लेस कंट्रोल क्रीम एंड लेस सीरम के साथ. नीटली बालों को कोम करेंगे बैक पे, टैंगल फ्री करेंगे एंड आई लेवल पे गाइडलाइन पे हॉरिजॉन्टली कट करेंगे. इस केस में बाल गाइडलाइन से लंबे नहीं है ज़्यादा, सो ज़्यादा कट नहीं होगा इस केस में. The haircut has been styled with a straight blow dry. In the final result, it's clearly visible that there is so much weight and density at the bottom of the hair. That is the main purpose of this haircut. We have maintained a 0 degree in the comb elevation throughout the haircut. That is the reason for such a good density and weight at the bottom of the hair.